Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ProfitRocket AI token. Ticker symbol is PRAI. Now this token is in their pre-sale stage 1 right now. This is a very brand new token. We're going to go over the information on the ProfitRocket AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ProfitRocket AI is a groundbreaking decentralized finance project built on the Binance Smart Chain that aims to revolutionize the way individuals invest and earn in crypto. The project leverages the power of artificial intelligence through trading bots to maximize profits for the community. It works by implementing an 8% transaction tax on all buy and sell transactions that are sent to the community investment pool. Highly sophisticated AI-powered trading bots are given access to the community pool with one universal goal: to make the most amount of profit possible per month while keeping risk and at a manageable level. So any profit generated by the AI bots is calculated and distributed out every month, providing a consistent and potentially lucrative passive income stream for the community. Monthly profit distribution, so 75% is distributed to the current token holders, 15% stays in the community investment pool, 10% is allocated to the company development and marketing expenses. Furthermore, token holders have the option to reinvest any amount of monthly payouts back into the pool, thereby increasing the investment pool and their stake in it. In essence, ProfitRocket AI is more than just a token. It's an innovative investment platform that combines the power of DeFi and AI to create a unique, community-driven, and rewarding financial ecosystem. But that's not it. It's not just all about profits. ProfitRocket AI is a community-driven token and believes in empowering you, the investor. Our ultimate goal is to transition to 100% community governance within the first year. This project was built around the idea of coming together to build a strong and vibrant community where we can all win together, and making sure that everyone has an equal voice, and that is key to establishing the community and what we are looking for. Whether you're an experienced trader, a tech enthusiast, or a newbie in the crypto world, ProfitRocket AI has something unique to offer you. Now the tokenomics, there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. 32.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.5% goes to liquidity, 10% goes to central exchange listings, 10% team allocation vested at 10% monthly, 7% staking rewards, 6% marketing and development, 5% investment fund incentives, 5% loss prevention, 4% advisors and partnerships, 3% airdrop and referral program. Now there's a roadmap. So it says the road ahead looks promising. Our roadmap is pretty straightforward. Here's a few of the most important milestones within the next 12 months following the launch. So first is the ProfitRocket dApp, a decentralized application. This is our #1 priority while the pre-sale is ongoing. It is essential that the dApp is ready before the project goes live. It will be the control center for the project, where holders will be able to do anything from monitoring global and individual profit loss statistics to finding specific executed trades from the AI, bot, and everything in between. This is also where holders will have the option to stake tokens or make any reinvestments from a monthly distribution. And then they have cross-chain expansion. We plan to expand to multiple networks such as Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Base soon after the project goes live. And community governance. We plan to transition ProfitRocket AI to full community governance within the first year of the project. This is something new, and we wanted to make sure everything works right beforehand. As soon as we feel comfortable, we will announce the transition. So they have different features here that you could review on their white paper. So their webpage, by the way, is ProfitRocket.ai. And you can find their white paper on there, or you could go to whitepaper.profitrocket.ai. So they go over the community profit sharing. They go over the staking rewards. So how staking works is there's token locking, time commitment, reward distribution, reward calculation, claiming rewards. Then there is reinvestment options. There is loss prevention, safe and verified section, community centric section. There's airdrop section. Frequently asked questions, etc. You can check all that out on their white paper. Now, if you go to their webpage, ProfitRocket.ai, right in the top right-hand corner, they have all their socials. They have a Reddit, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and then they have a button right beside that. It says Purchase PRAI. So that's where you're going to go if you want to get involved with the pre-sale. So you open that up, and that takes you over to a different page, presale.profitrocket.ai/login. So from there, you can create an account and get involved with the pre-sale. Now, obviously, you're going to need some other tokens, BNB or USDT, whatever they're taking here to buy this token. Now, underneath that, they have a countdown. So they're in phase 1 right now. There's still like 15, 16 days until this phase 1 is over. They have an audit and a KYC by BlockSeifu, full white paper you can check out. So right here, it says you could purchase the token with PayPal, credit card, or BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, Solana, or Polygon. So you got lots of choices. They've been seen in MarketWatch, Benzinga, Binance Square, Bloomberg, TradingView, lots of different news outlets. Tons of information, basically. There's tons of info on their webpage and white paper. So check out their full audit as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about the ProfitRocket AI token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.